Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of salads, specifically, the top 9 salad recipes that can help you shed those extra pounds and lead a healthier lifestyle. First up, we have the Greek salad, a delightful combination of cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese tossed in a tangy olive oil and lemon dressing. It's low in calories but rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. Next on our list is the quinoa salad, a protein-packed powerhouse featuring quinoa, black beans, avocado, and fresh veggies. It's not only delicious but also incredibly satisfying. And who can resist the classic caprese salad? Made with fresh mozzarella, ripe tomatoes, basil leaves, and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar, this salad is a true taste of Italy. Moving on to our spinach and strawberry salad, a sweet and savory combination of baby spinach, juicy strawberries, goat cheese, and crunchy walnuts, all tossed in a tangy balsamic vinaigrette. Now, let's talk about the Asian sesame salad, a flavorful mix of mixed greens, crunchy veggies, sliced almonds, and mandarin oranges, topped with a zesty sesame ginger dressing. And no list would be complete without the Mediterranean chickpea salad. Packed with protein-rich chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and feta cheese, this salad is a true Mediterranean delight. For those craving something heartier, we have the tuna niçoise salad, a satisfying combination of mixed greens, boiled potatoes, green beans, hard-boiled eggs, and canned tuna, drizzled with a tangy Dijon vinaigrette. Next up, we have the roasted vegetable salad, a warm and comforting mix of roasted veggies, quinoa, feta cheese, and balsamic vinaigrette, perfect for chilly evenings or cozy lunches. And who could forget the classic Cobb salad? Featuring grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, avocado, bacon, and blue cheese, all drizzled with a creamy ranch dressing, this salad is a true crowd pleaser. So, there you have it, our top 9 salad recipes to help you on your weight loss journey. Whether you are craving something light and refreshing or hearty and satisfying, there's a salad here for everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and healthy eating tips. Until next time, happy salad making.